Hello, 大家好. Welcome to MrsLinsKitchen. Today I'll show you how to make 3-cup chicken or San Bei Ji in Mandarin Chinese. 3-cup chicken is a popular staple dish in Taiwanese cuisine. In Taiwan, you can find it at the night market or any Taiwanese restaurant. Since 3-cup chicken is a simple recipe, so it can be easily prepared at home. So let me show you how to do it now. Here is the ingredients overview. 3-cup chicken got its name because traditionally 1 cup of equal amount of rice wine, soy sauce, and sesame oil were used to make the sauce. But using 1 cup soy sauce will be too salty, so the measurement has been adjusted based on the amount of chicken used. I prefer using chicken wings and drums for this recipe because the bones give the dish more flavor. You can use chicken thigh with bone as well. This is black sesame oil, which is toasted sesame oil and is more fragrant. It's available at most Asian supermarkets. You can use regular sesame oil if you cannot find this one. I use the Taiwanese rice wine, which has 19.5% alcohol, but you can substitute with other rice wine if you cannot find the Taiwanese-made rice wine. A must-have ingredient in this recipe is the basil, specifically Taiwanese basil. It is also called 九层塔 in Mandarin. Unlike Italian basil, Taiwanese basil has a more licorice and anise flavor. It also has jagged leaves and purple stems. Taiwanese basil can be found at many Asian supermarkets. Let's prepare the ingredients now. First, thinly slice the ginger. I'll use about 12 slices today. You can either peel the skin or leave the skin on, but make sure to wash the skin very thoroughly. Next, get 8 cloves of garlic and peel the skin. You can use more ginger, garlic, and basil if you like. It will just make the dish more flavorful. Cut a small pepper in half. Let's start cooking. Heat up your wok and add 3 tablespoons of sesame oil. Next, add in the ginger slices and fry on medium-low heat for a few minutes or so. Then add the garlic cloves and continue frying. This will help release its fragrance and flavor. You can also eat the fried ginger and garlic later together with the chicken. When both the garlic and ginger are golden, add the chicken. Stir well until the chicken skin is cooked. Next, pour in 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1/3 cup of rice wine, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, and the chili. Stir well. Cover the wok and let everything cook on medium-high heat for about 5 to 6 minutes. The sauce will simmer down and get thicker. Occasionally, stir the chicken to make sure it's fully coated with the sauce. After 5 minutes, add the basil and stir it well. Cover with the lid again and let everything simmer for about 10 seconds. This will help the basil release its fragrance. And you're done! 3-cup chicken is usually served with steamed rice and veggie on the side because it's very savory and has strong flavor. I hope you enjoyed today's homey and comfort 3-cup chicken recipe. Make sure you hit the like button to let me know you love it. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching, happy eating, and I'll see you in my next video.